Hi. Working on something exciting lately? Anykool is the exact definition between performance and excitement to come up with the amazing electric scooter. Anykool has been built through experience of production for more than 15 years and all the feedback from off-road riders, so we can come up with an amazing product. Unlike riding other scooter, with Anykool you can feel through a color, through a component, through the high-end product that off-riding has never been that exciting. There is a lot to be written, but the revolution already started. See you on the road!